The Art of Worldly Wisdom by Gratian was written in 1647. You can judge the height of someone's talent by what he aspires to. Only a great thing can satisfy a great talent. Make distinctions. Look for subtlety and nuance. Success requires fine observation of human nature and refinement of the self. Almost speaking to himself, one of author's point is, know your best quality, your outstanding gift. Discovering your area of superiority is a central task in life. Without this effort, you will waste your time imitating others.